Students, welcome to the third session of chapter Sources of Energy of class 8 of subject Science and Technology. In the last session, we studied about the different types of coal and their composition and uses. Today, we are going to start with the topic destructive distillation of coal and its products. Students, you have heard about the process of distillation. It is the process of heating and cooling of a mixture to separate its component of different boiling points. But here in this process of destructive distillation of coal, coal is heated strongly in absence of air to get its products like coke, coal tar and coal gas. This destructive distillation method is important. Why it is more advantageous to burn coal in open or in presence of air is that if we burn coal in open in presence of air, then we will not get coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coal will burn completely and it will leave ash and produce harmful gases which can cause pollution. But coke, coal tar and coal gas which are produced by destructive distillation of coal have different types of uses. Look at the diagram how this destructive distillation of coal is done. Here coal is heated in absence of air in one test tube. Then it is attached to the connecting tubes with another test tube and this coal is burned with the help of burner and coal has coal gas which gets separated. We can collect it in another test tube and coal tar which is a viscous liquid is collected in another test tube. Now we will study about the uses of the products which are produced by the destructive distillation of coal. Number one is coke. Coke, it is a hard porous substance. Look at the diagram. Porous substance means it has some holes and its uses are it is used as domestic and industrial fuel in stoves and furnaces. It gives little or no smoke. It means it does not produce harmful gases. Second method is extraction of metals. Extraction of metal means getting pure metal from their minerals. Third use is to make fuel gases like water gas. The formula of water gas is CO plus H2. CO is carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. Fuel gas means this gas is again used as fuel for some other purposes. Next product is coal tar. Coal tar, it is a black colored viscous liquid. Viscous liquid means thick and sticky. It is used in manufacture of synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, paints, photographic materials and roofing materials. Look at the picture. This is coal tar. Coal tar you must have seen when roads are constructed. Then you must have seen this type of substance, that is coal tar. Next product of destructive distillation is coal gas. It is an inflammable gas. It means it catches fire rapidly. It is used as domestic fuel and as an industrial fuel. Petroleum. It is a dark colored viscous and foul smelling liquid. Viscous means thick and sticky liquid. Foul smelling means unpleasant smell. It is commonly called crude oil, kacha tel. Its name is derived from Latin word petra means rock and oleum means oil. It literally means rock, oil. Actually, petroleum is made from the dead remains of aquatic animal. We get this petroleum from the under surface of sea, from under the sea beds. You must have heard about the Bombay High. It is the place from where this petroleum is extracted. Now, occurrence of petroleum. Petroleum is found at moderate depth of 500 meters to 2000 meter between the two layers of impervious rocks. Impervious rocks means they do not allow water to pass through or between them. Petroleum deposits are usually found mixed with salt water. You know that sea water, it is salty. Petroleum being lighter than sea water floats over it. Natural gas is found above petroleum. It is trapped between the rock cap and the petroleum layer. Look at the diagram. Here gas, it is trapped between oil and rock cap, and oil, it is floating over the water. As oil, it is lighter than water. That's all for today. Now assignment time. You have to write answers of these questions in your rough notebook. Question number 1, define destructive distillation. Question number 2, mention names of products of destructive distillation of coal and write their uses. Question number 3, write characteristics of petroleum. Question number 4, how do petroleum and natural gas occur in nature? Thank you and have a nice day.